Because there's been a lot of talk about your surname and how it's spelled and the people are saying, no, you're forgetting your roots there from Venda. What's going on with your surname?
Yeah, iqiniso my brother. Isurname yami akusiyo leya. So isurname yami mina laba faka uthi khona kwamele kucela kungene i-u name kanjela. So leya sort of ngathi isurname yesilungu leya. So bayibhayize home affairs. So mangathi yabhekana ku family yami asifani nebongo lezi. Omunye une N lapha kune J khona.
Manje you can't change it. Are you trying? Have you tried?
Ngeke ngitry Hotman cause like if ngizochange yami sister yona na si opposite. So kuyeka injalo one. So
everyone in the family, are you saying it's spelled like that, even the sister?
Injalo, but it's different.
Yeah.
Isurname straight ya Hotman lami yiyo ezivenda straight. So sister lami mina ine N, eyami ayina N, ine T A.
And then in a J.
Ne J futhi yabona.
Is it supposed to be Z?
Yeah, kwamele kube ne ZHE.
ZHE. Okay, no, I'm glad you've clarified that. And where is home for you? Because there are people in Soweto, they claim you a lot, eh?
Mina ngibuya eLimpopo eVenda. Ngivenda ngiloya eChikombani. Ngiba nje eChikombani, so like athi ngizulesa chipinga chikafu Chikombani. Ndowana ndingapha Soweto Chawelo. Ndone vele ndolira wona. Ndathoma notamba bhola wona so.
In Soweto.
Yeah.